Assalamu alaikum and a very warm welcome to Alias Kitchen Creations. So what's on the menu today? Today I thought I'd share a recipe with you of something that you've probably seen on the menu at every Indian Pakistani restaurant you've ever been to. What is it? It's Chicken Karahi. Do you know you probably haven't had an authentic Karhai because a lot of restaurants add so many ingredients into it these days. That's not the traditional way of making a Karhai. So I'm going to share a recipe with you that's the most authentic, traditional and no fuss way of making the most delicious and succulent chicken Karhai. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Take 5 medium to large tomatoes and place them face down in a pan. Add 1 cup of water, cover with the lid and boil them for approximately 15 minutes until you can see they are tender and the skin is coming off. When you can clearly see that the skin is starting to peel off, take them out of the pan, peel off all the skin and set aside to use later. We're going to dry roast some spices now, so take your coriander seeds, cumin seeds and black peppercorns and dry roast them in a pan for a couple of minutes. You don't want them to change colour, you just want to dry roast them just for a couple of minutes until you can really smell their aroma. Add all of your spices into a grinder and grind them until they turn into a fine powder. So our masala is nicely blended and as you can see it's got a beautiful rich colour. So there's just one more ingredient that we need to add to it and that is 2 tablespoons of dried fenugreek leaves. We're just going to add them in and mix it all up. In our recipe today, we're only going to be using about 2 tablespoons of this masala. So my tip of the day for you is keep the rest of the masala in an airtight jar or container and you can use it for up to 6 months, even longer, no problem, because it's all dry spices in there and it will keep really well. And the best thing is, the next time you want to make your karhai, your masala is already ready to go. So here I have 1 whole chicken, it's approximately 1 kg of chicken and I've got it cut into about 15 pieces. So you've got the thigh, legs, boneless, wings, all separate. So if you say to your butcher that you want the chicken cut into pieces for a curry, they'll know exactly how to cut it and will give you the right way. So we're just going to stir fry the chicken for about 10 minutes, just until it changes colour. Keep turning it over onto both sides so that it can colour evenly all around. Roughly mash your tomatoes with a fork before pouring them in. So we're just going to keep stir frying it on a high heat. After 20 minutes, you can see that our chicken karhai looks like it's nearly ready. The water has mostly evaporated and there's just a little bit of it left. Now, in a lot of restaurants, you'll notice that when they serve the karhai, they often add capsicums, red and green peppers, or big chunks of onion, but an authentic karhai does not have any onion, no yogurt, no capsicum. It's just this lovely tomato base that gives it the flavour. And our chicken kadai is ready to be served. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe. If you haven't already, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. I'll see you real soon with another amazing recipe on Alias Kitchen Creations. But for now, stay safe, stay healthy and keep cooking. Time for me to tuck in. Delicious.